Hi, today we're going to make this amazing Bandarwal, which is super easy to make and will really brighten your house.
Materials I'm using are some golden beads, white beads in two sizes, needle and thread. This is a lace, so you can use any which you have, and this is some bukram. I've cut a strip of the bukram. This is slightly shorter, shorter than the lace on both sides. So now I'm just going to stick it on the lace. So take some glue and just apply it on the lace. Especially on the edges. And then just stick it. And I'll just stick the rest of it also from here. Once this is stuck, just apply glue on the lace which is extra. And fold it over and stick it on the bukram. So this will give a neat look to the Bandarwal.
Now I'm going to take a string of pearls, put the string through a needle and sew it in the 1/4 spot of the lace. The same way, tie a knot and glue if you have to keep it secure. Now I'm going to make a string of beads. So first I'm going to start with an orange bead. Just put it through your needle until the end of the string and put the needle through the loop like this. Now I'm going to start with 4 pearls, then a gold bead, then again 4 pearls and a gold bead, and then 2 pearls and a gold bead like the string that I have made already. Similarly, I've made 2 more strings of pearls like this. Now I'm going to take a needle and put the string through the needle. The needle has a bigger eye. Now take a bead which is bigger than the other one and put it through the needle and tie a knot. So this is how the tassel will look like. I'm going to attach it in the center of the lace, and similarly I'll attach 4 more other tassels to all the midpoints of the lace. Take the lace and fold it in half and mark at the midpoint with the sketch pen. Now again fold the lace in half from that midpoint to the end and again mark it. Do the same on the other side as well. I have this string of golden beads and I have put the string through a needle. I'm just going to tie the end of the beads at one side of the lace. Tie a knot to secure the beads in place. To secure the knot, add some glue to it, like so, and tie the other end of the string of beads on the midpoint of the lace. And once you've tied the knot, secure it with glue as well. Repeat the same thing on the other side as well. And this is how the Bandarwal is going to look after it's finished.